case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 2009, the United States Court of Appeals for the Federal Circuit heard the case of Bose Corp, which centered around the issue of fraud in trademark applications. Bose Corporation had their trademark for Wave canceled by the Trademark Trial and Appeal Board, TTAB, after being accused of committing fraud during the registration renewal process. The company had claimed use on all goods, while they had actually stopped manufacturing and selling certain goods included in the registration. The case was initiated when Bose opposed Hexawave Inc.'s trademark application for the Hexawave trademark, alleging likelihood of confusion with Bose's prior registered trademarks, including Wave. Bose appealed this decision, arguing that there was no intent to deceive the United States Patent and Trademark Office, PTO, during the renewal process. The chief judge agreed with Bose and reversed and remanded the decision, stating that the standard for intent to deceive wasn't met. However, it was acknowledged that registration needed to be restricted to reflect the commercial reality. The case was remanded to the board for appropriate proceedings, with each party bearing its own costs.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.